Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Wanted to show you guys what it looks like when I'm doing my video game hauls. You've seen me sell a lot of video game stuff lately. I have a connection that's basically supplying me with lots of systems every week. I'd say anywhere from 4 to 10 systems a week with games, all different kinds of stuff. 25 bucks usually a pop for the systems, and then for handhelds like 15 or 20 depending on what kind it is. So that's my son. He's here with me too. Maybe I can show you guys. Say hi. Yeah, he's a part of the video, so sorry there'll be some background noise, but all this stuff is getting ready to get listed, and I wanted to get to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like. So these are just the video games that I pulled out of the lots he gives me. Each system usually comes with 4 to 7, 8 games. Here's the ones that are, I'm usually at least around the $10 price or more. Some of them obviously even better. Like that Tiger Woods one's there. If you look at the game, it's not worth a whole lot. That's the collector's edition, and it's still sealed. So that was in there. Super Mario Maker's in there. That's pretty good. There's Battlefront 2. There's the 2 Harvest Moons for GameCube. They do pretty well. Yeah. So, and then all you can see here, there's controllers. There's a pack of 2 360 controllers. There's a GameCube, a 360 there. 2 Wii's, a Sega Genesis Classic. There's the clear background purple GameCube controller. That does well. Yeah. There's like 5 Nintendo Wii's in there, 2 360s in total, 2 GameCubes, a fat PS2, an original Xbox, the Sega Genesis Classic. So this is like 2.5 lots worth of stuff that I bought from him. I usually end up paying somewhere between 100 to 200 bucks every time I show up. So it's quite a bit. But as you can see, I get a whole bunch of stuff. He bags it all. Hold on, we're almost done. I kind of rebag it the way I want it and separate the games out from the systems. And like I said, I don't sell the controllers. Okay. I don't sell the controllers with the Wii's. I sell the Wii's by themselves. The controllers separately. So I know some people were curious about kind of all the video games that I've been getting. So this is kind of what it looks like. There are a lot more games that are shown here that I get that are not that good. And I just put them in, separate them by what system they are. And then I kind of just hold on to them till I get a whole bunch, and then I go ahead and sell those as one big lot. So that's it. He seems like he wants to talk. Hopefully it wasn't too much for the video, but I want to show you guys this is what I've been dealing with. These big buckets, I buy them like this, and then these ones are all tested and ready to go. I'll list them tonight, and then hopefully we'll get some moved here before the end of the year. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. I do apologize for a little guy talking. He wanted to be a part of the video and YouTube as well. Take care.